Hello guys! Nandito ako para i-share sa inyo kung ano ang arithmetic sequence. So, ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is defined by the common difference, which is the difference between one number and the next one in the sequence. For arithmetic sequence, this difference is a constant value and can be positive or negative. So, as a result, an arithmetic sequence keeps getting larger or smaller by a fixed amount every time a new number is added to the list making up the sequence. And it can start at any number. Arithmetic sequences are simple, but they have real-life applications. If the starting point is known and the common difference can be found, the value of the series at a specific point in the future can be calculated and the average value can be determined as well. So, I hope may natutunan kayo rito. Thank you!
Sum of a finite arithmetic sequence is called arithmetic series. The behavior of the arithmetic progression depends on the common difference. If the common difference is positive, then the members or term will grow towards positive infinity. Number 2, negative, then the members or term will grow towards negative infinity.
Ano ang arithmetic sequence? Okay. In mathematics, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. Difference here means the second minus the first. For instance, the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15, and so on, is an arithmetic progression with common difference of 2. And also, an arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with a definite pattern. If we take any number in the sequence, then subtract it by the previous one, and the result is always the same or constant, then it is an arithmetic sequence. The constant difference in all pairs of consecutive or successive numbers in a sequence called common difference, denoted by the letter D. We use the common difference to go from the one term to another. How? Take the current term and add the common difference to get the next term, and so on. That is how the terms in the sequence are generated. If the common difference between consecutive terms is positive, we say that the sequence is increasing. On the other hand, when the difference is negative, we say that the sequence is decreasing. So I hope sana may natutunan kayo sa na-share ko about arithmetic sequence. Thank you!
Hi, I'm Mark Arimethic. Sasabihin ko sa inyo ang definition ng sequence. In mathematics, a sequence is an enumerated collection of objects in which repetitions are allowed and order does matter. Like as if it contains members, also called elements or terms. The numbers of elements, possibly infinite, is called the length of the sequence, unlike as if the same elements can appear multiple times at different positions in a sequence, and order does matter. Formally, a sequence can be defined as a function whose domain is either the set of the natural numbers for infinite sequence or the set of the first and natural numbers for a sequence of finite length n. The position of an element in a sequence is its rank or index. It is natural number for which the element is the image. The first element has index 0 or 1, depending on the context or an specific convention. When a symbol is used to denote a sequence, the ninth element of the sequence is denoted by the ninth element of the Fibonacci sequence. F is generally denote Fn.
Hi guys! So, andito naman tayo para solve arithmetic sequence. Magsasolve tayo ng arithmetic sequence. Ito yung sample. So guys, ito na yung finished solving natin. Pero ngayon, gagawa pa rin tayo ng isa pa para makita nyo kung paano mag-solve ng arithmetic sequence. Yes. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and so forth and so on. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are called the terms. These are the terms of arithmetic sequence. Formula. A1 A2 equal to A1 plus D. D is the common difference. A3 equal to A2 plus D. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A5 is equal to A4 plus D, and so forth and so on. Madami pa yan. Sunod-sunod yan. So, I will give you an example. Given A1 is equal to 2 and the common difference is equal to 13. Find the five terms of the sequence. 5 terms daw. So, ang hahanapin natin is the A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5 term. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Hanapin natin yan. So, yan yung isosolve natin. So, yung A1 is given na. Bakit? Siya yung A1 eh. Diba? A1 is equal to 2. So, given na siya. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa A1. These are called the terms. Bakit? These are the terms. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Gets? So, let's solve the A2. What is the formula of A2? This one. This is the formula of A2. So, let's solve. A2 is equal to, what is the A1? Yes, it's the 2 plus the common difference, 13. A2 is equal to 15. So, the answer for A2 is 15. So, let's proceed to A3. A3 is equal to, yun na. So, A3, the formula of A3 is A2 plus the common difference. A3 is equal to, this one is the A2, 15. 15 plus the common difference, 13. A3 is equal to 28. Yes, very good. 28 is the third term. So let's proceed to fourth term. This is the formula of fourth term. A3 plus the common difference. A3. So this one is the A3. A4. A4 yung hinahanap natin. A3 is 28 plus the common difference, 13. A4 is equal to 41. So the fourth term is 41. Very good. So let's proceed to A5, the last term na hinahanap sa sequence. So A5, the formula of A5 is A5 equal to A4 plus the common difference. A5 is equal to, so the fourth term, 41 plus the common difference, 13. A5 is equal to 54. So the fifth term is 54. So this is the finish solving of arithmetic sequence. So, diba, ang hinahanap niya is find the 5 terms of the sequence. So, the 5 terms of the sequence is the 2, 15, 28, 41, 54. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
If you hear the phrase sequence of events and imagine several events occurring one after the other, you imagine it correctly. In mathematics, there is also what we call sequence of numbers. Here, a sequence or a progression is basically a list of numbers. There is a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on. The 3 dots indicates that there are other terms which follow. Okay? To be more precise, we will use the concept of a function to define a sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain is a set of consecutive positive integers that begins with 1. Sequence. An infinite sequence is one whose domain is the set of all positive integers, or for example 1, 2, 3. And a sequence is finite if its domain is the set of all positive integers less than or equal to some fixed positive integer. when we say sequence, there's always a pattern. A sequence can be infinite or finite. When we say finite, infinite, it continues forever. For example, the sequence of multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. It is infinite when we show this by adding the 3 dots in the end. If a sequence has a fixed numbers of terms, it is called finite. For example, the sequence of 2-digit square of numbers. It can be 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81.